This is Sensor Studio. I'll quickly deliver the news about the Middle East war. It has been confirmed that the area near the Barakah nuclear power plant in the UAE has been attacked. The Barakah nuclear power plant is a Korean-designed nuclear power plant that Korea Electric Power Corporation contracted with the UAE to build in 2009. It's a highly symbolic facility because it's the first nuclear power project that Korea exported overseas. However, it has been reported that during Iran's recent military attacks against the UAE, the area around the Barakah nuclear power plant was also hit. According to local information, a drone struck the outer area of the nuclear power plant, causing a fire. Luckily, the main power facilities and reactor interior were undamaged and no casualties were reported. UAE authorities said the nuclear power plant is operating normally with no signs of a radiation leak, but this is where the problem begins. The Middle East war is now threatening not just oil facilities, but even areas around massive strategic sites like nuclear power plants. The Barakah nuclear power plant is one of the key facilities for power generation in the UAE and is considered a very important energy infrastructure in the Middle East. If the attack had gone slightly deeper, the outcome could have been entirely different. The international community views military actions near nuclear power plants as extremely dangerous. If something goes wrong, it could even lead to a radioactive accident. Currently, the UAE has raised its air defense alert to the highest level and is reportedly taking emergency measures. If there are more updates, I'll make and upload a video. That concludes the video. Thank you.